Interesting. What's going on, my dudes? We made some solid plans for Saturday, some solid plans for Sunday, and I'm gonna be honest with you, none of them worked out. With some perspective though, Saturday wasn't too bad. We got a little bit unlucky with the weather, but really that was it. All we had to do is jump in a van and wait for the storm to be over, and then we rode again a little bit, so that was not too bad. Can't complain about Saturday. Sunday, however, instead of talking about what happened on Sunday though, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play this little clip and let you see for yourself what the fuck happened. So yeah, the aftermath is pretty much a broken engine. My bike is in pieces at the moment. It's okay though, we're gonna rebuild. Might take some time, but we'll get there.
Yeah, so that was fun. It says it shouldn't be raining right now, but it is.
Oh, well, if it says it's not raining, then it's not raining. Really?
Yeah, man.
Well, we said 1. I was here at 1:25.
Yeah, that was like early.
I did tell him I would be here at 1 and I was here at like 1:30, so it's my bad.
1:30?
Yeah.
You're like 10 minutes, bro. It's 2 o'clock.
Okay, maybe I was here like 1:50.
All that happened on Saturday, we did nothing. Apart from a little hand drag on a truck. I thought that was cool. I seen a bunch of kids on bicycles do that basically, and I copied them. So well, let's fast forward to Sunday and enjoy it while it lasted.
This is bad news, bro, because it's either gonna be the bike's fault that you can't ride, or it's gonna be rider's fault.
It's probably the rider's fault.
Honesty is a virtue, my man.
You're just gonna look like shit.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
He can ride anything and you'll look like shit.
Yeah.
But the thing is that he is shit.
So it's a Suzuki GSXR 600. It's obviously a 4-cylinder. Oh! Okay, it took him literally 2 wheelies to straighten it. I'm not even joking.
Oh! Definitely the rider.
Yeah! Yeah, boy. Repping the set! First time I got a 254 stroke dirt bike, I was trying to scrape it for hours and I just couldn't. I was too used to a 125 2-stroke. And I was with Khalid and he tried my bike, and first try he just scraped it like for 2 meters. I was like, what the fuck. But that's Khalid for you. Every time he shows up, man, when Khalid is here, you cannot be an EP. You know what EP is? Enemy of progress. Okay, Khalid and Chuck, you're riding at the moment, which makes me want to ride. So also I'm gonna change shoes, so look at the shoes I'm riding with. So I'm riding with these Vans, right? I love riding with them for one reason, because the foot brake feels amazing with them, because it's like a thin sole. But one thing that super hurts is my left foot when I'm doing shift lock. You wanna know what shift lock is? Shift lock is you go from, let's say, from second to third gear. So okay, you're in second, switch to third, but in third you leave your foot up here like this, so the gear shift would be stuck up. So you're still in third gear, except you haven't brought the lever back down, so you're stuck there. and that allows you, by leaving your foot there, it allows you to actually grab onto your bike with your foot, and you can like let go of one hand and maybe two hands if you're good enough, like Chucky. But that's how you do it. So that's shift lock, and with these shoes it really hurts, so I'm gonna put on my Air Forces, son. They're a little bit older and they look like shit, but fuck it. We're gonna try and do. I'm gonna be driving the CRF with Rob as the passenger, and we're gonna be filming Turkey and two-stroke Dan. But I have no front brake and we're heavy, 2 people on the bike, so it's gonna be a little bit sketchy. But let's try it, yo.
Fucking do this.
That worked out pretty good. It's a bit sketchy, both of us on the CRF, because we're so heavy and have no front brakes, so slowing down is really hard just on engine brake and back brake, but fuck it, it worked. Wow, that was sick, bro. I believe the footage was dope. And police came, they stopped, looked at us for like a minute, and they then left. What they probably did is they looked at us and then they told the owner of this place to say, yo, some hooligans are fucking doing wheelies on your property. But then he must have told them, yes, I told them they could, so then they fucked off, so that's all good. Now I'm gonna try and film two-stroke Dan and Turkey. You can hear two-stroke Dan there on a 125 Kawasaki. Let's get some action! Oh, here it comes on that. Yeah! Which gloves should I wear? So should I wear these AliExpress fade Chinese gloves? It's 100% reds, 100% pink, Fast House bright pink, or them 661s. I think I'm gonna go with these, you know.